Do you have the habit of using one of the or one of the in your daily speaking? If you have done that, if you have that habit, this is the right video you should watch. There are rules in using one of the or one of the in our speeches. Grammatical rule to follow, and there are only two rules to follow with the use of one of the or one of the in any sentence or in any sentence construction. So let's go to that part of the rule usage. The first rule is one of the is always followed by plural noun. Plural noun. A noun which is more than one. Plural noun. And point to note here, plural nouns in many cases will have s or es as suffix. There are also nouns which do not follow the s and es rules. They are, for instance, the singular is child and plural is children. Singular is man, plural men. Singular is woman, plural is women. Singular is deer, plural is deer. In such cases, you need not add s or es to form plurals. So what is the rule by this time? One of the or one of the is always followed by plural nouns. Plural. And in the second case, that plural noun is followed by singular verb. Now what is singular verb? Singular verb will have s or es at the end if it is in the simple present. The singular of go becomes goes. The singular of play becomes plays. The singular of do becomes does in the simple present case. So one of the boys is absent today. Another case, one of the girls has black tego. Another correct sentence is one of the leaves is sharp. Another case is one of the branches is straight. Here what do you understand? One of the branches means from many branches you take just one and talk about that one using the subject verb agreement. One of the fingers is missing. There are only 9. One of the fingers is missing. Look at this very carefully. One of the leaves is yellowish. Out of many leaves, one of the leaves is yellowish. So you should be really careful while using one of the phrase in the sentence. English ti tawdalo jam to tuyila. Debuta ngachiki lalen thapdalu zewa bomra jumila thette zewa joila ira daube pa lalen di thabachin zewa jomela jongla ngachiki masu chigara one of the boy is missing selawla one of the finger is missing one of the student is not in the class wrong one of the teacher has sought leave wrong one of the teachers songola one of the teachers one of the students one of the shoes is torn one of the teachers is on leave last time I have visited one of the city in New York last time I have visited one of the city in India do you think this is a correct sentence one of the city wrong you should have last time I have visited one of the cities in India another case is I have seen one of the driver not having the license here I have seen one of the drivers not having the license when you use verb with one of the always remember to use singular verb with plural nouns it is like this one of the branches is black one of the branches has fallen one of the boys plays football better one of the girls writes perfect English one of the teachers plans better lessons one of the cameras shoots better pictures one of the knives cuts well so remember to visit to my channel and also like and share this video if you think it will help other people like you other people like me in constructing better English sentences thank you so much